Hello guys, today I would like to show you another expedient that I found out helpful while I was trying to automate some part of my house, and I got in a situation where I had 3-point light where an inverter and two normal switch where we have the phase on one side and the neutral on the other. So would be even hard if you try to figure it out how to use as an off device with 3-point lights, and even using Libby that is using 120 volt. Because I'm not living in my house and I don't want to change the mask of the switch with modern push button that you can find in the market, and I still have to use this old kind of switches, and really dangerous on my point of view, but that's my point of view, and really old, crappy, still my point of view. So I found a way to convert this switch in a push button, and I will show you how to do it. So you don't need much stuff. First thing that you need to do is to have a drill and take out those pins that keep the switch all together. Okay, one is gone. And the other the same. See, in the switch there is a spring that need to be removed. This one is to stabilize the switch in one direction on the other, and in our case we don't need it. And on the other side we have a rubber cylinder that need to be moved from this side to the other side, because we need to create a push button, and the push button is normally open. So the spring that we'll apply here is gonna push this part up, so this contact will stay open. So now with the spring we can use this one. The length of the spring has to be just a little bit above of the side of the plastic, so to have the maximum efficiency. There we go. I place the spring and I put back the switch. If you can see, it's already working as a push button. Now I'm gonna to apply the rivets on the side. So for rivets I'm using those ones that are 3mm on the head and 12mm tools, half an inch. It can happen that you break the plastic below, but those switches are pretty cheap, and case you will have to start from 0. In this case is okay, but it's not a big deal. The result is way convenient than the expenses. Everything went well, so now I'm going to apply 2 crocodile connected to the tester. Yep. Contact is normally open. And we have our push button. In this case is normally open. If you put the spring on the other side, you will have a normally closed contact. Switch. Push button. Right now we have a classical switch that is converted in a push button, and in the next video I will show you how to program on-off mini, or like my previous video, this device when I replace the Wi-Fi module, and I reprogram with Tasmota. So how to program Tasmota to use this switch to turn on off lights and multiple points, and in the same time you can even through Tasmota program them to have different way to turn on the light. One push, you turn on the light. If you keep it pressed, you can program the light to stay on only 10 seconds, and if you keep press too long time, you can even turn on a light in another room. So to the next time. Thank you.